Your body uses water in all its cells, organs, and tissues to help regulate temperature and maintain other bodily functions. As your body loses water through breathing, sweating, and digestion, it's important to rehydrate yourself by drinking plenty of water. But water brings you way more benefits than you think. In this video, you'll find out exactly what. But before we get into it, please take a moment and consider subscribing and turning on post notifications if you're finding our content helpful. Number 1. It may help prevent kidney stones. Half of people who have had a kidney stone will develop another one. One way to reduce the risk of forming stones is to drink extra water. This dilutes the substances in urine that lead to stones. The amount of liquid you need to drink depends on the weather and your activity level. If you live, work, or exercise in hot weather conditions, you may need more water to replace the fluids you lose through sweating. Number 2. It may manage anxiety. Water has been shown to have natural calming properties, likely as a result of addressing dehydration effects on the body and the brain. Drinking enough water is an important step in managing your anxiety. Even if you're not experiencing anxiety, drinking sufficient amounts of water can create feelings of relaxation. Number 3. It helps your brain function optimally. Research shows that dehydration is a drag to memory, attention, and energy. For a small study based on adult men from China published in June 2019 in the International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health. It's no wonder considering H2O makes up 75% of the brain. Number 4. It can help you eat healthier. It may be plain, but it's powerful. In a study of more than 18,000 American adults, people who drank just 1% more water a day ate fewer calories and less saturated fat, sugar, sodium, and cholesterol. Water also acts as a weight loss aid because it can help you eat less. Drinking water is important during weight loss because it provides hydration without unwanted calories. Number 5. It boosts skin health and beauty. Drinking enough water helps the body to flush out toxins whilst giving you healthy skin. Studies have revealed that drinking just 2 cups of water can increase blood flow to the skin, which gives it an even tone. If your skin doesn't get enough water, not only will it become dry and tight, but will also become even more prone to aging. The more hydrated you stay, the fewer wrinkles and fine lines you'll see. Water helps your skin maintain moisture, which increases your elasticity. The more elastic your skin, the fewer wrinkles you'll see.